What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Coast Official, and I'm back with another banger. Let's go. We hit 500 subscribers, y'all. Let's go. We did it, y'all. We halfway there. Let's go. So today, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be reacting to this. I got him coughing and wheezing. Taemoney challenge. So be sure to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Make sure y'all also hit that bell to be notified. If you don't hit that bell, you're not gonna know when I post videos, unless you just magically run across my video. But y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for this this cash giveaway and the secret mystery giveaway. Stay tuned for that, y'all. Let's get into the video.
T-Mobile is upgrading its network at a record pace. We were the first to bring 5G nationwide. And now that Sprint is a part of T-Mobile, we're turning up the speed, upgrading over 1,000 towers a month with ultra capacity 5G to bring
This should come with an asthma pump. He in and out breathing. I got him coughing and wheezing, yeah, ayy.
That tongue was like a snake. I'm dead. But I'm dead. No wonder why her stuff went viral.
This should come with an asthma pump. He in and out breathing. I got him coughing and wheezing, yeah, ayy. This should come with an asthma pump. He in and out breathing. I got him coughing and wheezing, yeah, ayy. This should come with an asthma pump. He in and out breathing. I got him coughing and wheezing, yeah, ayy. This should come with an asthma pump. He in and out breathing. I got him coughing and wheezing, yeah, ayy.
Taught you that. Who taught you that, man? Don't be doing that around here. We don't need that.
This should come with an asthma pump. He in and out breathing. I got him coughing and wheezing, yeah, ayy.
Oh yeah, Naya. If you see this video, add me to your live, man. You kept saying Jerry. Add me to your live, Naya. For real though.
This should come with an asthma pump. He in and out breathing. I got him coughing and wheezing, yeah, ayy. This should come with an asthma pump. He in and out breathing. I got him coughing and wheezing, yeah, ayy.
Okay. That transformation, though, that was cold. I ain't gonna cap that transformation. You passed.
This should come with an asthma pump. He in and out breathing. I got him coughing and wheezing, yeah, ayy. This should come with an asthma pump. He in and out breathing. I got him coughing and wheezing, yeah, ayy. This should come with an asthma pump. He in and out breathing. I got him coughing and wheezing, yeah, ayy. This should come with an asthma pump. He in and out breathing. I got him coughing and wheezing, yeah, ayy. This should come with an asthma pump. He in and out breathing. I got him coughing and wheezing, yeah, ayy.
Hey, I ain't gonna cap. It really looked like she was singing. She the one who made this song. I ain't gonna cap. She passed.
This should come with an asthma pump. He in and out breathing. I got him coughing and wheezing, yeah, ayy.
Did I miss something? I don't know if I missed something on that last one, but y'all let me know in the comments if I did.